Hello everyone! Today we're going to go over how to get support using the Elunity software. Under the Get Support section, click the Plus Diagnostic Support tile. If you are on mobile, it will be shortened to Plus Diagnostic. When you get to this page, enter the VIN for the vehicle that you're working on. It will populate the year, make, and model for you. The vehicle that we're working on today is a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Now that you've entered the vehicle information, you can search our network to see if your question has already been asked and been resolved. Notice that there is a template already in our system. You can make a copy and then edit the template or get support directly from the new template. However, today we're going to create a new template that's not already in our system. Let's click on Get Support and it will take us to a blank template. Note that we don't need to enter the vehicle information because we already entered the VIN. Let's quickly enter a name and the procedure and shop notes. P0304 is the code that we're going to be diagnosing today. Let's keep the customer description blank for now. You can always fill it in later. The procedure and shop notes is where we're going to record all of the steps and tests that we've done. Now that I have all of the information included in the template, I can click Save and get support. Here is where I can have direct communication with a technologist. Now that I have a response, let's ask another question. This time, let's go to the menu and wait for the new response. Here you can see a notification on the Active Support tile, and there's also one on the Notifications link at the top of the page. Let's click on the Notifications link. Here you'll see any notifications that come in for you. Let's finish up our response. Let's say that I've completed the test and now want to record that on the procedure and shop notes. In order to return to the template, click the eye icon in the top right corner, then click on the template name. Now that we're back on the template, let's scroll to the bottom, click Edit, and then we can make any changes we wish. Be sure to save your changes when you are done. Now I want to return to the support conversation. If I click on the Get Support button at the top of the page, this will generate a new support request. This is not what I want. If I scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see any existing support conversations for this template. This is my conversation. Let's click on it. Now I'm back on the support conversation. Let's thank the technologist and then we're going to close this request. In order to close the request, click on the eye icon from the support page and then click on End Conversation. I hope that this has been helpful in getting support through the Elunity network. Thanks for watching.